Hey guys, and welcome back to new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I'm bringing you a major update for the Aimogen plugin, as starting from now you will be able to use Stable Diffusion from Dream Studio. So yeah, you heard this right, you will be able to use Stable Diffusion to generate images. Besides of the DALL-E model from OpenAI, you will be able to set up and use Stable Diffusion rules and models to create images in the Aimogen plugin, which is linked below. So go ahead guys and check the Aimogen from below, and let me show you also how to use it. So first of all, you will need to add your stability.ai API key in the plugin settings here in the main settings menu. So if you don't have already an API key, click here, and afterwards you will be redirected to this page or to the sign up page. So after you sign up, you will be able to go to your account and click API key and copy your API key, paste it here and save settings in the plugin. And afterwards, if you go to the settings of rules or other parts of the plugin where images are created, you will be able to select stability.ai as an image source. So let me show you this. As you might know that Dream Studio is really good at creating these dreaming images, dreams of a distant galaxy, and if we click here dream on their playground, they will create these nice images here of a dream of a distant galaxy. So you can try using this kind of prompt in the plugin settings. So if you set here to go down and in settings and auto set a featured image for post, click this and you will be able to select stability.ai in these drop down settings, and note that this will become available only after you add an API key here in the main settings of the plugin. So I recommend that instead of a high detail photograph, you use a dream of a distant galaxy concept art, and instead of a distant galaxy you can write the post title, for example, but this will be, I leave this to your imagination, so you can change this prompt as you wish. And yeah, we can go and create a post title. So let's write deep space and it's secrets. So this will be the title of our post, and OpenAI's DaVinci will write a post for this title. So the post content AI generator options, we have DaVinci free selected. Write an article in English using HTML tags about post title, and also we will use stability.ai's stable diffusion model to create a dream of post title, concept art, matte painting, and the post title in this case will be deep space and its secrets. So let's save settings and let's visit our site. It's empty, and now we will be able to run the plugin and we will be able to get the results we should be getting. So the content will be from OpenAI's DaVinci free, and the image will be from Stable Diffusion, as it is stability.ai selected here for the image source. So you can also select OpenAI if you wish, but or Aimogen API, but if you want to get more artistic images and these images which are representative to stability.ai's stable diffusion model, then you can go with this option. Also, if you want to get posts inside of the content of the created article or post, you can set here maximum number of related images to add to the content, for example 2, and if you set here 2 and configure here stability.ai, then in this case stability.ai will be used not just for the featured images of the post, but also some post images will be added in the content, and the AI image generator will create 2 additional images for us and add it to the content of the post. So now let's check, and here it is, deep space and its secrets, and this is the Stable Diffusion image that was created for us, introducing the mysterious deep space. What is deep space? Secrets and here it is, the nice Stable Diffusion image that was created for us using Dream Studio. Okay, so this is an option, so keep in mind this will be available in AI Content Writer. You will be able to set stability.ai featured images and with prompts like this, and also you will be able to set images which will be added in post content using this part. Also in AI Content Editor you will be able to use AI generated featured image. If you enable this, you will be able to select OpenAI, Aimogen API, stability.ai or royalty free. So if you select stability.ai, all images which will be published on your site will have an AI generated featured image set for them, and this will be taken place automatically. So be sure to enable this article editor functionality here and save settings, and all posts which you publish to your site, regardless if they have or if they don't have featured images, if you set the plugin up like this, it will generate a featured image for the posts automatically using stability.ai's Stable Diffusion model and with this prompt. Okay, and another really interesting feature of the plugin, that besides the playground here, in the playground you knew that you could generate images using, for example, the GPT free image generator, which is DALL-E, and let's paste the example prompt here, and let's select a smaller image size, and we will get a GPT free image generator. And also, if we want, we have a Stable Diffusion variant which will be able to do the same, and let's select here the same values, and we will get also from it an image. So this will be also possible. In this case we get an image. This is from the DALL-E, the OpenAI's variant, and this is from the Stable Diffusion variant from stability.ai. So we can see the differences as colors and also art is different. Okay, so you will be able to use this new playground function which will be added to the latest version of the plugin. And also the last thing I want to tell you is the stable shortcodes as Aimogen stable image generator form, which adds a form to the front end to generate images of users, so users can add their prompts to the plugin and generate their own images using stability.ai. And also stable image, this is an image which is generated by the prompt that you enter, so this will not let users to enter their prompts. The Aimogen stable image, this will use the seed expression like this, and here you will be able to add your own seed, while the Aimogen stable image generator form will allow users to add their own expression, and this will work like this. So let me show you both of this in action. So for example, let me copy the form first, so let's add it to the end of this post. Aimogen stable image generator, and we update the post here and go to the post URL, and we will get here image generator with a prompt, image size, and submit, and people will be able to use this to submit posts to stability.ai and use Stable Diffusion to generate their own images. Also, if we want, we can use this other shortcode to use another, but really in Gutenberg you should not add shortcodes like I do here. Instead of creating a block and add a shortcode like this, basically because this is the correct way, and this is why the shortcode was added before the content of the post. So this is the correct way to add shortcodes in Gutenberg, note this. Okay, so after we have done this, and also we are allowed to update our post. So Gutenberg is tricking me here. Let's reload it, as it seems that the WordPress is not allowing me to edit my post now. I hope that my local host is still working, as it seems that it has some technical problems right now, for which I am really sorry, but let's hope it will get back to work soon. So until now, you will have to trust me on my word that this image will actually create the... Oh, here it is. It is working now, and if we refresh, actually, yeah. So, okay, we will need to add the shortcode block back and hit the update button, and now we will get the Stable Diffusion image created for us and added to the content of the post, as now we will be able to do this. Okay, so as now the Gutenberg block is processing this shortcode, and we will get our featured image soon. Okay, until then guys, go ahead and check the Aimogen plugin in this video's description. It is really a nice feature to have in the plugin, and we will be able to see the result now. So we got the shortcode that was created and a high detail photograph of a sports car driving on a highway. Okay, so this was using the Stable Diffusion model. So keep in mind that the image will be created only once using the AI image generator, and afterwards it will be stored in the cache of the plugin. So here it is, a high detail photograph of a sports car driving. And if we refresh the post now, we will get the same image. Okay, or at least hopefully. If not, I will need to do a fix for the plugin to make it work like intended. Okay, so yeah, this is the latest update for the Aimogen plugin, and yeah, if you have ideas, suggestions or anything else, let me know and I will check on them. If you have other suggestions for other models that I can add, let me know. And it seems that the caching feature is not the best right now. I will go ahead and investigate and fix this right now. Okay, so yeah, this is all for today. Be sure to use always the latest version of Aimogen, as you know, I release updates for it very often, so periodically there will be new features and updates monthly. I estimate that I make 4 or 5 these major updates for it, and many more smaller updates which only fix some issues and bugs, like this caching feature, like the bug that I found here right in this video. Okay, so this is all for today. Go ahead guys and check Aimogen. It is linked in this video's description. And yeah, like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.